share that with my Star Spangled 12 gauge Turkenelli. That's one of them turkey Brunelli knockoffs. That's the A2. These G-Force made an A1 and they made an A. The A1 sucked. The A2 is pretty good action. I ain't had no trouble with it. It likes to be wet and you ain't gonna shoot doves with it. It don't like low brass. But it's an inertia-action on this rascal. It rolls. It feeds well. I never had. I mean, I heated it up a couple of times. But I'm shooting that plated number 4 in here, 2 3/4. I don't shoot 3-inch in here. I don't need 3-inch. Open these wood. 3 3/4 gram or equivalent is plenty good up in here. I mean, why? I don't need a 3-inch. I ain't gonna use a 3-inch. It's just that simple, little buddy. To be continued.